Hi folks, my name is Jimmy, and today I want to talk to you about a company that so many people are talking about lately because it offers not only good products and services but also a very juicy compensation plan. But before to tell you this, have you heard um, about a company that they tell you get in today, pay this, and after 2 weeks they tell you pay another sum of money, and after 1 month or 2 3 months after that they tell you pay more money to get or to produce more results. Well, if you've heard it before, okay, um, that's the case today with a lot of companies. They offer you a lot, but you have to pay a lot of money in order to produce results. So today I want to talk to you about a company that, as I said, a lot of people are talking about. The name is Explosion. 2 years ago, Larry Marcus founded this company. So, and also it's around the world. Okay, it offers 100% compensation plan. It offers, as I said, good products and services, resorts, hotels, airline tickets, and also it offers products around the world in different stores, big stores like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Target in the United States, and of course in most of the countries in Asia, Europe, Canada, Mexico. It offers all the products and services in those countries. It has two different form of compensation: commissions, $29, and also is $129. It's 100% commission for the gold package and also for the platinum package. Okay, so if you pay $154, you're gonna get $129 commissions. If you pay $54, you're gonna get $29 commissions. So the $24.95 is for the affiliation fee. So it's very important to understand the fact that if you get 100% commissions, you're gonna be able to receive a lot of money. Why? Because if you only have, for example, 32 people, this is just the case with 32 people, and this is the case. 16 people multiply 129, you're gonna make a lot of money. Why? Because you're gonna make approximately $2,000 a month only with 32 people. That's not the case with other companies. Other companies, you have to be there for 3, 4, 5 years and get 1,000 people to get just a residual, okay, a decent residual. Now with this company, with 32 people, you make 2,000 a month. Now, if you have 100 people in your organization, in your team, okay, and they are active every single month, you're gonna make $10,000, okay, $10,000 every single month with 100 people. It's not enough for you? Well, let me tell you something. Not all companies offer this thing, all right? It's a 100% commission company. I know somebody might say, hey, there's another company that offers 100% commission. Yeah, but you have to spend a lot of money. And not only that, you have to do a lot of sales to do so, okay, to get that money. So again, with this company, it offers products and services. They are tangible. You can see those products. You can, you know, take advantage of these products. Okay. If you want to take an airline ticket, you can buy it through this company. If you want to buy a computer, you can go online and just being a member of this company, you're gonna get enormous discounts. So it's big discounts just for being a member. Okay. So and besides that, you can establish a network marketing, a group or team, okay, with just few people, right? Now, to just to make a summary of this thing and to give you an extra gift today, just for today, and it's gonna be valid for December and January of 2014. If you sign up today and you get 2 people, all right? If you sign up today and you get 2 people, all the fees that you pay are gonna be reimbursed to you. You have to get only 2 people, so that's a good news. In other words, you get 2 persons, 2 people to work in your team, all right? And the fees that you pay, I don't care if it's $54 or $154, all those fees are going to be reimbursed to you, with the exception, of course, of the affiliation fee that is $24.95, all right? So that's a good thing, because then you're going to be like a member for free for the first month. All right. So not only with 2 people you break even. Also, I add the fact that if you get these 2 people, you're gonna be reimbursed in your fees. Below, you're gonna see the link that you can read and read everything about this company. Sign up today. This is a good company. Forget about all those crap that they're talking about. I mean, they tell you that getting into this company just to make pennies. Okay, forget about those things. If you wanna do something big, something great, you gotta make it with this company. Thank you for listening. Just sign up in the link below, and God bless you. See you in the next video.